have gone and sent a message to Function of Beauty and read an article about how to deal with hard water when using Function of Beauty, and I've ordered myself a brand new order of their shampoo and conditioner. So this is the current condition of my hair. I can still get a brush through it. Like, that's not a problem. The problem is the fact that my hair is very dry. I had a haircut like a month ago, so it shouldn't be this difficult to deal with. I'm just gonna vlog this and we'll probably get a little bit more professional looking as we go into the year. I have moved to a different set of goals from Function of Beauty. I took a quiz as normal about my hair type, and then I read an article that Function of Beauty had written about how to deal with your hair in hard water. And they had recommended to me that I use the hair goals of color protection because I've got dyed hair, lengthen, so to promote healthy hair and scalp for longer, stronger locks because my hair is brittle and snapping, nourish the roots, and shine because my hair is very dull at the moment. It's gone from being beautifully shiny to this. So I just got out of the shower. My hair smells so good. I'm gonna have a quick brush of my hair just to see how it feels after. Like, so far so good. Like, I expect a bit of resistance from the brush and my hair because my hair's still wet, but actually this has been the easiest to brush through it in a long time. This is seriously the best that my hair has felt in months, and it seems less dull, does my hair, so I am actually quite grateful that Function of Beauty put up an article about how to deal with hard water on your hair, because so far this seems to have rescued my hair. The ends brush out really nicely, and it's when I get to about here, which is what I talked about in my 1-year review. Last year it seemed to eliminate that problem. This 12-month review, it seems to have created the problem again. Honestly, more fool me for changing up my formula. They've come out with a serum, they've come out with a hair mask, a leave-in conditioner. They are progressing, and it's a company that I would definitely keep an eye on, and I think is such a wonderful idea. But like, damn, so many things can go so... This is what I'm talking about. This here. So many things can go so wrong if you just change the formula. Do you see how bad that is? That's not normal. I've been trying to think of the things that maybe I'm doing wrong, like environmentally. I haven't moved anywhere new. The air quality isn't different. I'm not overheat styling. I'm not doing anything that's particularly damaging to my hair to make the results different. I'm seriously just going about my life as I normally would. We started off with this product on a really good start, and so I'll be disappointed if it all falls apart here. So I made this order. I'm going to show you what's inside and show you the goals that I chose for Function of Beauty. The goals inside this box are pretty similar to the goals I had chosen to use last year for my 1-year review of Function of Beauty. Let's have a look what is inside the box. Towards the end of my 1-year review, they brought out a leave-in conditioner. I don't really use leave-in conditioner, but they have recently this year brought out a hair mask and a hair serum. Now, I love using hair serum because it's very lightweight oil and it makes my hair easy to brush through, and it gives that little bit of protection from the heat products that I decide to use sometimes. And basically you can buy the hair serum, the leave-in conditioner and the hair mask with the same goals as your shampoo and conditioner. So you're not mixing anything, you're getting the same goals, and you're not overloading your hair. So I will show you what is inside the box, and we'll talk a little bit more about what I decided to order this time around. I ordered the shampoo in the smaller bottle, and then I got the conditioner in a larger bottle. But this time around I am trying something different because I went and invested in the hair mask. The hair mask works in a way that it is the same formula that you choose for your conditioner and your shampoo to sort of enhance the gold. I'm gonna try this today after a good old shampoo and conditioner, and we'll leave this on for 5-10 minutes, whatever the leaflet recommends, and I will tell you how good the product is. So let's talk a little bit about the hair goals that I chose for my new Function of Beauty set. My goals, I've gone for colour protection, fix split ends because I've been having a really bad time with split ends, and I assume it's because of the dryness of my hair. Hydrate, to try and hydrate my hair again because, like I said, it feels like straw. It feels really crispy. Shine, because I really do like the way that my previous Function of Beauty goals makes my hair shine. I'm going to go hop in the shower, double shampoo and rinse, single condition and rinse, and then I'm going to put on my brand new hair mask. I am very excited to try a new hair mask, and I will check back in with you and we'll see how my hair feels after a good wash. I got out of the shower, I've let my hair dry naturally for a couple of hours while I've cleaned, so I'm just gonna brush this through now. But I don't feel like that big clump of hair is as bad anymore. I mean, I can already get my nails through some of it, so that's a good sign. The shine on that when I like brush my hair through is gorgeous. Definitely more manageable. I mean, look at that when it's brushed through. I have to say, once again, I still don't smell anything on the hair, but this is a very subtle fragrance, even though I have opted once again for the strongest fragrance possible. Look at that! Look! It's not even stuck in the area that I was having problems with yesterday. Look at that! I think my hair already looks healthier in comparison to yesterday. I don't know what you guys think, whether or not that is true, whether it's just me being hopeful, but the difference I feel in my hair. I think I've come to the conclusion that I just need to not change up my hair goals when I use Function of Beauty, but I definitely don't think that it should have been that dramatic of a change in my hair. I did what they recommended for a hard water area and my hair started to snap and break, which is something that I don't think should have happened. It is frizzy because it's so soft. But if you refer back to my 1-year review, you will see that around here I've always said that I get frizz when it comes to Function of Beauty. So I am about 9 months into my 2 years of Function of Beauty. And as discussed in the first part of this video, I have been really struggling with my hair again. 9 months in and changing the formula, I think this is the 3rd time, if we include last year's formula not working for me anymore. I have done 2 more formula changes and my hair is just, it's breaking, it's snapping, it feels dry. My ends should not look like this, like they've been fried. You can see how much my hair has grown from my roots, but my hair doesn't seem to be getting any longer. Why doesn't my hair seem to be getting any longer? Because whatever Function of Beauty are doing with their formula at the moment is making my hair snap. I didn't realize that changing my formula would make such a drastic difference to how my hair would feel. And I'm feeling really deflated because I've spent all this money on Function of Beauty and I spent a whole year dedicating my time to finding a formula that works for me, for then it to stop working. I've stopped using the shampoo and conditioner because it's making my hair worse. I've gone through so much conditioner because I'm trying to compensate for the fact that my hair feels so dry. The hair mask is basically like a thicker, more glorified version of the conditioner. My hairdresser even commented when I went to go get my hair cut that my hair is like unusually really dry for me. Alas, I have not given up and I'm sticking to my guns about filming a 1-year review for the second time. So we're on to a new formula. And I've also opted to buy the Function of Beauty hair serum, but we'll get onto that in a second. I've actually tried to go with what I know a little bit. I have tried to go back to basics and go back to the... It's not the exact formula of my first year Function of Beauty order. It is a similar blend. A year ago, my formula was to fix split ends, strengthen the hair, colour protection, anti-frizz and shine. I have gone with the goals in my little booklet of anti-frizz, deep condition, fix split ends, hydrate and shine. For the sake of like hair science on Beth's Beauty, I guess that I am just sticking this out for another 3 months because we've only got 3 months until it's a year. So in 3 months time, I hope I'm making a check-in with you guys that tells you that my hair feels absolutely incredible. Let's talk 2 years of Function of Beauty, shall we? In 3 months time, I have consistently used Function of Beauty towards the end with the new gold after going through some dreadful hair splitting, hair knotting, all because I changed the formula. In 3 months, I am probably just over halfway, quarter of a bottle left on the conditioner and the shampoo. The hair mask and the hair serum, I threw both of those things away. The hair serum made my hair feel really sticky. It made my hair feel greasy, slimy. All of the things that I don't really want my hair to feel like. The hair mask, as discussed before, made my hair feel quite dry. It didn't feel like my hair was actually taking in the moisture from the mask. The mask really just seemed like a thicker conditioner because it was all the same goals, just without the results. Let's have a look at what my hair looks like after 2 years of using Function of Beauty. Let's do the hairbrush test. As you can see, no knots, no getting stuck here anymore, and my hair looks happy, healthy, and it's lost that kind of dull vibe to it. I feel like I got incredibly lucky in my first year review to absolutely nail my hair goals and know what my hair needed. It's really concerning to me that changing up goals just on a whim because you feel like your hair is feeling a little bit dry could cause such a drastic change, and I've had to spend a year trying to pull myself back into Function of Beauty. I feel like as a consumer, I shouldn't have worked that hard to try and get a product to work for me, because this isn't cheap. This is affordable if it works for you because of how little you have to use. But when it goes wrong, that's a very risky price point to be messing with. I am, however, willing to admit that I don't think Function of Beauty is the be-all and end-all of hair care like I thought in my 1 year review. So there we go. That was my Function of Beauty 2-year review. If you liked my video, give it a like down below. Leave a comment telling me your experience with Function of Beauty, positive or negative. I want to hear it all. If you want to stick around, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!